This image reveals China's modular space station in orbit. From the launch of its first module to full assembly, the entire construction took just 19 months. Let's trace the incredible journey of how this marvel came to be.
3、2、1，点火！
On April 29, 2021, construction of the Chinese space station officially began with the launch of the Tianhe core module.
准备，定零11:03分，15秒，613毫秒。
As the central hub of the station, Tianhe provides essential life support systems, power distribution, navigation control, and crew habitation. It serves as the foundational node to which all subsequent modules are attached, setting the stage for the station's rapid expansion. Between May 29, 2021, and June 5, 2022, multiple Tianhe cargo spacecraft and Shenzhou crewed missions shuttled between Earth and orbit. Astronauts from each crew worked in rotation to install, configure, and verify systems aboard Tianhe, establishing the station's core infrastructure through successive mission handovers and complex in-orbit operations. On July 25, 2022, the Tianhe laboratory module was launched and successfully docked with Tianhe. Equipped with advanced scientific payloads and an independent EVA airlock, Tianhe supports both experimentation and astronaut living functions. After a series of attitude maneuvers and docking port transfers, Tianhe was repositioned to Tianhe's starboard side. Meanwhile, the Shenzhou 14 crew continued expanding and upgrading the station. On October 31, 2022, the Tianhe Lab module launched and docked with Tianhe, completing the T-shaped configuration of the station. After multiple alignment and relocation operations, Tianhe was secured at the portside docking node. This marked the end of the assembly phase and the beginning of full-scale applications. On November 29, Shenzhou 15 was launched, and for the first time, 6 astronauts from 2 crews, Shenzhou 14 and 15, lived and worked on board simultaneously, validating Tiangong's capacity for dual crew operations. Phase 2 of the station's development is now underway. It will feature the launch of Tianhe 2, a second core module, along with 2 new laboratory modules. By 2028, the station will form a dual T-shaped configuration. This expansion will more than double its scientific capacity and accommodate a greater number of international partners, transforming China's space station into a global orbital research platform.